जल्दी करवा लेते हैं क्योंकि आज लाइट नहीं है यहाँ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सो मोबाइल डिस्चार्ज हो सकता है, राइट?
Okay, sir.
So now this is the last session for applications of Bernoulli's theorem. Last time we have discussed applications of Bernoulli's theorem, and today I am giving you two more applications, very important, that is Torricelli's theorem or law and Venturi meter. So first I'll give you Venturi meter. Venturi meter. You know very well, if we discuss any theorem, then surely there are some practical applications of that theorem. Without practical application, there is no use of any theorem, because theory can be used practically by applied physics, and this is one of the device that is known as Venturi meter. So Venturi meter is like this. Two tubes are there, A and B, and they are connected with a narrow tube C. Okay, tube A, tube B, and tube C. Area of cross section is A1 here, and area of cross section of this C is narrow tube is A2, and a liquid is flowing here in streamline flow. Okay, here the velocity is v2, and here velocity is v1, pressure is p1, and here pressure is p2. Okay, now the two tubes are also connected with a manometer. Manometer is nothing but it is just like a U tube. So here a liquid is filled whose density is different. Here density is suppose rho, and here density is rho m. Why density is different? So that it will not miscible here. इसमें मिक्स ना हो जाए, नहीं तो मैनोमीटर बता ही नहीं पाएगा कुछ. ये देखिए, ये अलग लिक्विड. ओके, सो मैं फिर से बताता हूं आपको अब ये है क्या और क्या बताना चाह रहा हूं मैं आपको. लिखें आप, इट इज a device prepared by or constructed by or devised by, it is devised by भी लिख सकते हैं, it is devised by an Italian engineer Mr. G.B. Venturi. Mr. G.B. Venturi, Italian engineer. And now you know very well why the name Venturi meter is there, because his surname is Venturi. जैसे कृष्णा उपप्रीत है, कृष्णा ने कोई चीज बनाई तो वो नाम हो जाएगा उपप्रीत मीटर. करेक्ट. आगे लिखिए, इट इज used to find the rate of flow. It is used to find the rate of flow of liquid through a horizontal pipe or through a pipe. So you know very well it is used to find the rate of flow, means what amount of liquid, that is volume, per unit time you are getting. जैसे आप पेट्रोल देना है तो कितना गया, टैंकर में कितना पेट्रोल आ रहा है, दैट वी कैन कैलकुलेट और वी कैन मेजर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेंचुरी मीटर. सो ये पूरा सेक्शन, दिस वेंचुरी मीटर इज attached between the two pipes. The one pipe is from here and one pipe is which is taking the water, and here that is supplying. So first we write construction. Yeah, principle लिखिए, principle. It is based upon Bernoulli's theorem. Its principle is based upon Bernoulli's theorem. Construction आपको दिख रही है, ये ब्रॉड ट्यूब्स हैं. The one is divergent, that is, and this is convergent. Two broad tubes A and B. Two broad tubes A and B. One is convergent and other is divergent. One is convergent and other is divergent. Are connected by means of a narrow tube C. Are connected by means of a narrow tube C.
Sir, A and B.
Two broad tubes A and B. One is convergent and other is divergent. One is convergent and other is divergent. Are connected by means of a narrow tube C. Narrow tube C. A manometer is also connected. A manometer is also connected between tube A and C. A manometer is also connected between tubes A and C. A manometer is also connected between tubes A and C. Okay, now how it works? So working or theory. Yeah, and theory, sir. Working and theory. Correct? So let A1, A2 equal to area of cross section. What happened? दिख नहीं रहा?
दिख रहा है सर.
दिख रहा? Let A1, A2 area of cross section of cubes A and C. ठीक है? V1, V2 equal to velocity of flow of liquid in A and C. P1, P2 equal to pressure of liquid in A and C, rho equal to density of liquid and rho m equal to density of liquid in manometer. Rho m equal to density of liquid in manometer. So whatever is there, we have written already. Okay. You know very well here area of cross sections, they are different. And when area of cross sections are different, then equation of continuity is always there. That is A1 V1 equal to A2 V2. And first of all, you have to remember that what we are finding, we are finding rate of flow. Rate of flow means volume upon time. ओके एंड वॉल्यूम क्या होगा देखो मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. सो डायग्राम चलो भी रहने देता हूँ. वी नो rate of flow means Q, and that is equal to volume per unit time, है ना. It means we need volume upon time. Okay. So how to find volume first of all? यह एक काम करता हूँ, पहले आपको इक्वेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी बताता हूँ, तो फिर अपने को इक्वेशन बार बार नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. Yes, liquid is in streamline flow, therefore from equation of continuity A1 V1 equal to A2 V2 equal to V यानी वॉल्यूम, ये होता है. That's very well. Okay. So now we are going for rate of flow. And rate of flow of liquid means Q, and Q is volume upon time. So for per unit time, Q is equal to volume, and volume आपको पता है A1 V1 and A2 V2. चलो टाइम रहने देता हूं मैं. It means if we have to find rate of flow, we need A1 V1 or A2 V2. A1 V1 or A2 V2. This is our equation number 1. And now we have to find A1 V1 and A2 V2. बस इस पे हम लगेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों. So as A1 V1 equal to A2 V2, therefore A1 upon A2 equal to V2 upon V1. This is equation number 2. Actually, we have to find V1 and V2 because A1, A2 already we know. Yes, because A1, A2 is area of cross section. That already we know. What is the area of cross section of A and what is the area of cross section of C. But we should know velocity entering and then moving from C. That is V1, V2 हमें निकालना है. तो ये relation मैंने निकाल लिया. Okay. And you know very well, this is in streamline flow, horizontal flow. And in horizontal flow, we can use Bernoulli's theorem. बस अब हमारा काम हो जाए. So ये diagram में मिटा रहा हूँ बच्चों. In streamline flow, एक चीज मैंने यहाँ बनाई नहीं थी, वो आप बना लेना है। ये मैनोमीटर में यहाँ और ये था ना, तो दिस इज हाइट है एच। ये मैनोमीटर में एच बना लेना, ये बनाया नहीं था मैंने। हाइट इज डिफरेंट, दिस इज लोअर एंड दिस इज at the top or upper one. So the difference between the two levels is height of the liquid, and that is the pressure difference, because pressure is given by h rho g, so height should be there. Okay, ये मैनोमीटर था, याद नहीं आ रहा हो तो फिर से बना दूं।
नो सर, आ गया।
आ गया। So in streamline flow of liquid from Bernoulli's theorem, and it is for horizontal flow, and in horizontal flow you know very well height is same, so height many potential energy term is cancel out. We will have only this one, P1 upon rho plus V1 square upon 2 equal to P2 upon rho plus V2 square upon 2. ओके, तो P1 P2 को एक तरफ कर लो, P1 minus P2 upon rho equal to V2 square minus P1 square upon 2, or P1 minus P2 is equal to 1 by 2 rho V2 square minus P1 square. Okay, and we have to find V1 and V2. So first we find V1 or V2 anything, तो V1 निकाल लेते हैं। So V1 is now 1 by 2 rho V1 square is common, तो इसके पास तो था ही नहीं, so V2 square upon V1 square minus 1, and look here V2 upon V1, V2 upon V1 is A1 upon A2, V2 upon V1 is A1 upon A2, so that I am substituting, इसको मिटा देता हूँ। From equation 2, P1 minus P2 is 1 by 2 rho V1 square, and this is A1 square upon A2 square minus 1, 1 by 2 rho P1 square A1 square minus A2 square upon A2 square, LCM मैंने ले लिया. Okay, and this is P1 minus P2 means pressure difference between A and C, and pressure difference is given by H rho G, but rho not, we are taking rho M, मैनोमीटर. इसका लेंगे हम मैनोमीटर. क्या हुआ बच्चों, दिख नहीं रहा क्या?
सर दिख रहा है ना?
P1 minus P2 is H rho mg equal to 1 by 2 rho V1 square A1 square minus A2 square upon A2 square. This rho and this rho is different. This rho is the liquid which is flowing from A to B, ACB, and this rho m is the density of the liquid given in the manometer, which is going to measure the height. Now
सर ब्लर हो रहा है।
we have to find V1 square. ब्लर हो रहा है क्या?
सर आपका बैंडविड्थ
Yes, sir.
वीक है इसलिए ब्लर।
यस सर।
ठीक है ना? ओके, तो ये सारा का सारा इधर ले जाएंगे. सो 2h रो mg, ये A2 स्क्वायर भी यहाँ आ जाएगा, A2 स्क्वायर अपॉन रो A1 स्क्वायर माइनस A2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू V1. तो इसको अंडर रूट कर देता हूँ पूरा, ये अंडर रूट. स्क्वायर हटा दिया मैंने। सो V1 इक्वल टू मेरा आ गया है, देखिए A2 बाहर आ जाए, A2 अंडर रूट 2h रो mg अपॉन रो इंटू A1 स्क्वायर माइनस A2 स्क्वायर. This is the value of V1. This is the value of V1, that is velocity V1. And now you have to find V2. तो V2 निकालना बड़ा आसान है, कैसे? From equation 2, V2 upon V1 equal to A1 upon A2. So V2 is equal to A1 upon A2 into V1. ये V1 है. Okay. So V2 equal to A1 upon A2 and now substituting the value of V1. This is equation number 3. तो ये रख दिया मैंने, देखिए A2 अंडर रूट पूरा ऐसे कैसे, तो देखो A2 से A2 चला गया, तो V2 is equal to A1 under root. It means whatever is inside under root that is same.
सर आपका कैमरा
सर
ऑफ हो
आपका
गया है।
वीडियो ऑफ हो गया है।
मेरा वीडियो ऑफ हो गया, लो बैटरी आ गई यार, प्यारी बच्ची, क्या करें। लो अपॉन A1 स्क्वायर माइनस A2 स्क्वायर, दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 4। बता रहा हूँ आपको, दिखा रहा हूँ। तो स्केल भी सो लुक हियर, V1 तो आपको आ गया था, V1 इक्वल टू A2 इंटू दिस, एंड V2 मालूम क्या हो जाएगा, ये A1 आ जाएगा बस में, देखो यहीं आया। If you are not finding, you have to use this equation 2, V2 upon V1 equal to A1 upon A2. So V2 equal to A1 upon A2 into V1. So A1 upon A2 is as it is, और V1 की वैल्यू ये मैंने पुट कर दी, ये देखो, ठीक है। A2 A2 cancel out, so V2 equal to A1 into this. And now if we are putting the value of V1 and V2, then we are going to get the rate of flow. तो देखिए rate of flow सेम आएगा, कैसे सेम आएगा देखिए। So from equation 1, आपको याद है Q is equal to क्या था, A1 V1 upon T और A2 V2 upon T. So look here, if you are writing the value of V1, so ये आया देखो, A1 A2 under root 2H rho mg upon rho A1 square minus A2 square. And now second वाला रखता हूँ, देखिए in second I have to write A2 and V2 value, तो V2 में A1 आया, तो देखिए फिर वही आया A1 A2, अच्छा ये अपॉन T है, अपॉन T सब में चल रहा है, अपॉन T अंडर रूट 2H रो mg अपॉन रो into A1 square minus A2 square. So look here, both the terms are same. देखो A1 A2 A1 A2, ये सेम ये सेम ये सेम. So we can substitute the values of A1 A2 2H rho m g, ये A1 square minus A2 square, and time. For which time, if you want to find for per second, per minute, then you can substitute here the value T. So with the help of this venturi meter, you can easily find the rate of flow of a liquid through a pipe, through a horizontal pipe, through a tube, using the manometer. And एक चीज और बताऊं, कई बार ऐसा भी होता है, ये भी देखो आप, सेकंड तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा हो पा रहा है क्योंकि बैटरी खत्म हो गई है। ये मैनोमीटर था मेरा, कई बार यहाँ भी लगा देते हैं, देखिए ऐसे ट्यूब, दिस इज ऑल्सो मैनोमीटर, मैंने यहाँ लगाया था, देखो याद है ना, ये हाइट था, दिस इज हाइट. So this type, with this with these tubes also you can use, or you can calculate the height of the liquid in both the tubes A and C. Okay, so कोई डाउट आ रहा है क्या आपको? किसी को कोई समझ में नहीं आया तो बता दो. नो? तो ठीक है, आज यहीं तक रखते हैं बच्चों. आई एम वेरी सॉरी, बैटरी डाउन हो रही है इसकी, फिर बीच में बंद हो जाएगा, फायदा कुछ नहीं. टॉरिस-एलिस थ्योरम मुझे लग नहीं रहा हो पाएगी. ओके, बाय बच्चों, थैंक यू.